Glenn. My name is Jason. And this is our little brother Jeremiah. He doesn't know how to talk because he's a baby, but he's still going to be in our videos. Guys, today we're making slime! Okay guys, so first we have to do, you have to put the glue in. How much you want? Okay. And okay, so when you have that amount of glue, you have to use shaving cream. I don't know how he's doing that. he's really more than me. I don't know how he's doing that. But I think I'm done. Oh my god. Okay, so okay, hey guys, I'm sorry about that. A little bit of shaving cream got on my mouth, so sorry about that. But we're gonna put on the paint. Okay, so how is he doing that? No, but seriously, how is he doing that? Okay, that's it. Okay. Entonces, so this is the next step to making slime, and you have to mix it good. If you think you got the color that you want, you can stop stirring, but it's not the color that I want. So. Okay, now once again, how is he doing that? Sorry about that, but if you want, you can just dip your hand in and just mix it around. What? What's happening? not turning out like I thought it would. Put glitter in mine. Glitter on yours. What's this? Oh, God. Here you go. Yeah, I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. I'm going super crazy. How much glitter are you putting in that? Oh, God. That many? It's turning out and making it into slime, so I'm just gonna... my hair. We got it in my hair for no reason. Oh my God! It's so sticky. You know it's not gonna come off now. You're stuck like that forever. Your school, your rest of your life. The rest of your life. Later, June to walk the sea. Okay, guys, so whatever you want us to do, it better not be too extreme, but we maybe do it. So comment whatever you want us to do. Maybe we'll do it. How's your slime turning out? And turning out really good. Okay, so mine, I don't know how it feels, but I think it's how it's supposed to be. So I'm gonna go crazy on the glitter because that's how I am. That's right, that's right, that's right, that's right, man. Oh yeah. It's not working, right? Mine is not working. Hello? Not working. Not working. Sorry about that. It was just me. It's not working. It's because you have glue on it. That's how am I supposed to do it? There's sticky on it. Sticky. I'm gonna use this cutter. You know what? Oh, get this pink off for me. Yeah, it's gonna go crazy on this. Okay, stop copying my words. If you want to get your own words, go to the word factory. What do you mean word factory? It's over there, right next to your house. Are you serious? Yep, I definitely did not make that up. You did. No, I did not. Oh my. Please come out. You want to play competitor, eh? I'm not going to stop putting glitter. You want to play competitor, eh? Woo! It's raining! It's raining! So, tell me what's your favorite. Tell me what's your favorite color, guys. My favorite color is like green and blue. Actually, like just blue. Just blue, huh? Yeah. Boop. It's not raining. It's. Hello? Are you coming? Got it stuck in my hand. Good. And it ran out of glitter. Great. Oh man, we ran out of glitter. I was gonna go full Godzilla mode. Give me this? Thank you. Hey, I was gonna go full Godzilla mode on the glitter. And it ran out. I want to see if I can throw it on this one. And I'm gonna make a little. I can see nothing in the bottom. Whoop-de-doo-days. I think I can make a big giant earth out of this. And oh god! Do you think my slime turned out good? No, I don't think so. I'll tell you a few things about me, guys. So I like pizza. Yeah, I super like pizza. You know that. And the most thing I'm most scared of is ghosts, scary movies, all that stuff. Everything that's scary, I hate it. And the thing that I like doing the most is watching my phone or playing on my phone. So, hey, don't judge me. I'm kind of so. I'm going on this. And my favorite cereal is Fruit Loops. My favorite cereal is like the square thing, the crunchy things, like the square things. Okay, and my favorite color is green, as you can see right now. What? I have to do this. Don't have to go full Godzilla. I have to. You're going full Godzilla mode. Yeah, I know. Oh my. Oh, by the way, go check out my sister's channel. It's linked down below. So go check out my sister's channel if you can. So, leave a like and subscribe and comment. Oh, God, my shirt. So, that's the only thing I have to tell. Because, and I have to tell is, my shirt's stuck with slime! I mean, have you heard of Daisy, her own YouTube channel? Yeah, that's my sister. I've been in one of her videos. She's gonna post it soon. So, if you want to see her, she's right behind you. Woo. But you can't show her right now. If the camera woman, it's breaking! It's breaking! It's breaking! Ah, I find them full Mozilla like Mama Zilla. I find them like Mama Zilla, and I broke my cup. Hey, you're not supposed to do that. You're not supposed to go full Godzilla mode. I'm just gonna turn around. Going very slowly. There. You can fix this. Hallelujah! Hallelujah! Ah. not know. He does not know a difference between. I don't know, but he didn't tell me yet. But the most thing he's scared of.
Spiders.
No, you're scared of cucumbers. What do you mean? I saw you before. I seen you around a cucumber, and you were like, cucumber, get away from me, Guys, from the other day, like I hate cucumbers, and I
told you.
And I dreamed like they come to that, and then they were attacking me. Cucumbers can't come alive, or can they? You will never know the true story of cucumbers. Link down below if he's never gonna learn to not go full Godzilla mode on his slime. So, I'm just gonna. Mine is done. Mine is super. Ooh! Mine is like Jason's. So, mine is like the same. Right. Woo! 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 You can do whatever you want with this now. Now, don't go full Godzilla mode again. My turn. Okay, I'm gonna move in this side. Bye. I'm gonna move in this side now. Woo! This is super stretchy. So stretchy. Look at my sheet. Hold on, I'm gonna make a race car track. I'm gonna do some of these. Beep beep the slime is coming through. Let me go, man. Let me go. Let my brother go! You're just torturing him like I don't know, like Play-Doh! We're slime, we're alive, okay? Stay away from my slime. Hey, that's my brother you're talking to. He's not slime. We're fellow live people. Okay?
I see a little bit of your slime is stuck inside this paint. The red paint that I set up.
I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm gonna get revenge! Go Optimus Slime! Can't catch me. Go up! Whoa. Hey, you can't smack me.
Yeah, my hands is for glitter. Take my glitter. My slime.
Yeah, that's a great idea, actually.
I have some glitter right here in the middle. And in the middle.
I think I can make a face out of this. A square face.
Wait, hold on.
Let me do this, this.
Yes. Yeah, I can do a circle.
Well, actually, I think.
Oh God, it's falling off. It's falling off.
No, I made an oval.
Yo,
I made an oval. So let me make a big giant hole here, just for his eyes. Got his eyes. His other eye. And his
glitter.
little tiny nose.
No. Mine is ruined. No. I got it red paint. No, I'm not having slime. Whoa, it's actually turning red.
Look at my human slime. Hey camera, look at my slime. I made a human slime.
That kind of looks like kind of ugly. I'm gonna destroy it. It kind of looks like ugly.
How dare you! I got yours.
You did.
You don't mess with the wrong person. Wow. Ants. Why?
No, my little human! You died. Just because a little kid decided to get you.
You know what?
What? Sit down.
In my ass crease. I'm having so much fun. Guys, if you want to do this, ask your sister, your mom, whatever. You can ask them to help you make slime. The only thing you need is glue, shaving cream, and what was the other thing? Like the thing that you saw we poured on it in the when you can't hear nothing. Huh. Oh God. And I built it again. Yeah, that kind of looks like. Wait, actually. How about mine? Wait, I can help you make a like a human body. You just have to make like a square, almost like a square, and then turn it to an oval. That's how I did it. And make like holes. Yeah, like that. No way, I think I have a great idea. Oh my God, I just thought of the best idea. Hey guys, if you hear the booming noise, that's fireworks. Maybe in some future videos we're gonna do like fireworks videos. We might. I'm not saying that we will, but we might. I want to make a human out of my slime. Okay. How does that look? Oh, it looks. Need to like make your mouth. Okay. How about now? Okay. Now I'm making his legs. You what? Okay. I need to make chicken. You can't make chicken. I know. He's eating the whole thing. I'm a big fan of chicken. He's eating our chicken. I'm a big fan of chicken because I eat Chick-fil-A, KFC. Hey, leave down below if you like Chick-fil-A or KFC. Leave down below. Dude, you're gonna break your slime. Okay. Woo. Hey guys, try to guess what I'm gonna do. Woo. What am I doing? Woo! Hey guys, guess what I'm doing? That's right. You guessed it right. If you guessed the human, you're right. So, woo. Now I need to woo! Wow! Bro! Stop going full Godzilla.
You have to do it.
Why do you have to do it?
Oh,
Okay. fast. You're gonna break your hand.
I forgot.
And then we have to cut the video and go to the hospital. It's not my fault if we go to the hospital, guys. Look at this. I made a human. I actually did make a human. But where's the real body though? Here's the real body. See? Legs. And that looks like 3 legs. To me. It looks 3 legs. 1, 2, 3.
Like
Squidward. Like Mr. Squidward. Now you can.
Mr. Squidward!
Hey guys, I want to tell you something. What do you call cheese that's not yours? Nacho cheese. I know, I'm not the best at puns, but I try. Yeah. I'm a little stuck into this massive slime. Wait, that looks like strawberry yogurt. That does not look like strawberry yogurt.
And yours look like
soup. Hazel, I want to see yours for a little minute. Hazel, wow, yours looks super good. Wow. Hazel, can you leave it on the ground? I want to tell you something.
what?
Just leave it onto the ground. This is what I think about your slime. You got!
You're right.
No, I'm saying my. Wait, I'm gonna like running in my hand. Hey, that's right. Yeah, that's right. That's what I get for messing my slime up. You're still pink or purple. Wait, why do you still pink? I don't know because it actually turns.
Oh my god, your hair.
I know.
Guys, do you see his hair?
I know, it's turning all pink.
Do you know it's gonna be like that forever?
And ever. Let's do that.
I wonder if I can do it. I'm gonna make
this. Some of this.
I have a great idea. Hey guys, have you ever seen those little things that they have in like restaurants or a game or like Chuck E. Cheese's or like a restaurant? They usually have eye holes and I can see through you. Hi guys! Woo. I'm gonna make mine a circle because actually I want to make a pizza. Hey son, what? Tell me if this isn't a Krusty Krab. It's not. No, wait. Tell me if this is the Krusty Krab. Tell me that.
Yes, it is.
No, but tell me if this is the Krusty Krab. Tell me.
Yeah!
Say it. Say if this is the Krusty Krab.
No, this is Patrick.
Hey, that was my joke.
Hey, is this the Krusty Krab?
No, this is Patrick.
I love Daddy. I love pizza.
Well, look mine.
Okay, guys. So sorry about that because you guys are really interrupting me. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna call in Jeremiah so we can decide which one is the slime is the best.
Jeremiah!
I think you join the pink, but you have seen nothing yet. Look at the team green. You like team green, don't you? Team green. Team green. I bet I can catch it, guys. Guys, look at me catch this.
Red.
No, I can catch it. I can catch it. Yeah, I got it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh. God, do you like it? Do you like this?
Red.
You like it? Which one? Team green or team pink? Hey, show him in his face and let's see which one he picks. Which one he picks first, he likes the most. Okay, which one do you like? And you guys have to decide which one you like. Mine. Team green or team pink? Jeremiah likes mine. Way more better than yours. Yours looks. Hey, he's touching mine already. So he's touching my whole blob. Touching mine. Hey. Wow. He's going really good. Guys, he actually likes mine's better. Mine looks like better. Like strawberry. He's touching mine. So, wait, he's touching a little bit of green. Yeah. It's a how do you green? Hey, you got a lot of pink on it. I'm not team pink.
That's actually green.
Okay, bye guys. This is enough. So, enough of slime. Like and subscribe and ring the bell so you know when I'm uploading a next video. So, bye guys.